What you making now, Karen?
I'm making WoW Southwest spaghetti in one pot.
So, have you made this before?
Of course not.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
Here's the ingredients. I got a pound of ground beef, that's 85%, package of taco seasoning, half a cup of mozzarella cheese, half a cup of cheddar, about 8 ounces of uncooked spaghetti, 2.5 cups of water, 1 can of diced tomatoes. I wish I had petite diced tomatoes, but I don't, so using that. I got a medium onion chopped up, a half green pepper chopped up, and then we have one of those bags with the little peppers in it. So that's 2 of those mini sweet red peppers. And then I have 1 Roma tomato chopped up. So here we go. I'm doing this in my new kitchen too, with my new countertop.
Oh, let's take a look.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, ain't that pretty.
I'll put a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil in my pan, let it get heated up. Crap. Hello? Extended warning! Yeah, hi. I'm so glad you called. No. Do you know how to get blood out of carpeting? I mean, a lot of blood. It's really dark red and it's real sticky. You hung up on me.
That'll get him.
I've been waiting for that phone call to come back through.
They're probably sitting there going, what? What?
I can't get a conversation out of them though. They just hang up. I wanted to ask them where I should hide the bodies.
There you go.
Oh well. Maybe next time we'll get further. So I'm putting my pound of ground beef in here. And if you have leaner beef, like 90 or more, I would say that's a good choice. I'm going to put my onions, green peppers, and sweet red peppers in. Now I'm just going to cook it on medium-high until the meat's completely cooked through. But I do like a lot of vegetables in my tacos and stuff like that, so you can cut back if you don't want this much in there. I have not made this before, so I'm kind of making this up as I go. I was kind of looking online, and I'm doing my own thing, so we'll see how it comes out.
I don't know how it's going to work out. You haven't had any drinks yet. No mules, no nothing.
It's about halfway cooked, and some of that fat is now rendered out of there, so I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my package of regular taco seasoning in it. I'm just going to keep stirring and cooking until the meat's completely done. Alright, so my meat's all cooked through, so I'm going to add a can of my diced tomatoes. Wish they were petite diced. This is a 14.5 ounce can. And then I'm going to add 3 cups of water. Then,
Really? 3 cups of water? Oh, spaghetti, I see.
yep, all in one pot.
What a brute. I bet you could rip a telephone book in half.
Oh, I bet I could too. As long as the population is of about 12 or less. Okay, so I got this on medium-high. I'm going to wait for that to boil. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 15 minutes.
Only 15.
It's been about 15 minutes. Took the lid off. My noodles are done the way I like them. I sampled it and didn't taste like it had enough seasoning to me. So I'm going to take a half a packet and add some more taco seasoning to it. If you find out that it's a little soupy, you can always add tomato paste, like a tablespoon at a time to it. So I'm just going to let that sit for about another minute. I got it on about medium right now. Okay, now it's got a little heat to it, which we like it that way, right?
Right.
So now the next step is add my cheese to it. And there you have it. Now the last thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to shut that off. Got to add my Roma tomatoes. If I had cilantro, it would look really pretty with the green in there, but I don't. And just get that mixed in there so those tomatoes will warm up. And now I'm going to put it in a bowl. Ooh. Supposed to spin it around, right?
Right.
Uh-oh. Is that
Hey,
enough? One
what,
more.
do you think, you Betty Flay?
So Dave's going to put a dollop of sour cream in his.
I'm a sour cream man on my tacos, so maybe more than a dollop. All right, let's give this a try, shall we? This is
Different.
yeah.
Real China, too.
Tastes like a taco.
Does it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah. It's different.
Yeah. Would you do it again?
Oh yeah, it's just like a taco, just don't have the crunch.
Would you like some tortillas?
Maybe a little salsa.
Oh, yeah. So I put a little salsa on mine with a little sour cream. I'll mix that in because I think that sounded like a good idea. Much better. Add the salsa, add some sour cream. That's really good. However, that extra half a pack of taco seasoning I put in there, I don't think you need it. This sucker's spicy now. So, with the salsa and the sour cream, and that's just regular medium salsa, the one packet's good.
Yep.
But try it, Dave, with the salsa and the sour cream.
All right.
That was good. Hey, we're experimenting. Never done it before, you know?
All right, with salsa and sour cream. Oh yeah.
So I'm thinking you could probably add about at least a half a cup of salsa when you're making it and taste it and add more salsa if you want it. Instead of doing it in your bowl after the fact, I would just do the sour cream after the fact. Mm-hmm. This is taco spaghetti. A little different, isn't it?
That's good. It is spicy.
Yeah,
I like
we
that.
put a little bit too much spice in it, but yeah, we cooled it down with a little sour cream. But if you like it spicy, it's all right.
I do.
Okay.
That is divine.
Well, you go home, heat that up, and help yourself.
That is divine. Thank you. I shall.
I'll put the recipe in the description below, including salsa.
Including salsa. Very good.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.